Hey guys, this one is a question about rationalizing the denominator. What that means is that we don't want a radical in the denominator. That's not considered proper form. So what we try to do is we want to turn this right here. 2 does not have a cube root. Okay, you get a decimal. So we want to change that 2 into something that does have a cube root. So what we do is we're going to come over here and look at these numbers and find the smallest number that 2 divides into. So if we look, 2 won't go into 1, okay, but 2 does go into 8. So my goal is to turn that into the cube root of 8. So then I need to figure out what I need to multiply by to get from 2 to 8. So we know 2 times 4 is 8. So that means I'm going to need to multiply this by the cube root of 4. But if you do something on the bottom of a fraction, we need to do it on the top. So we're also going to multiply the top by that. Okay, so on the top, we get 11 times cube root of 4. And on the bottom, 2 times 4 gives us a cube root of 8. Now, we still need to simplify if possible. So 11 and cube root of 4, those don't simplify. 4 doesn't have a cube root, so we'll just leave it. Okay, but the cube root of 8 is 2. So we can simplify that. And now you notice that we don't have a radical in the denominator, which is what we wanted to happen. Okay, so this is your final answer. The only other thing you could do sometimes is if it's 11 and 2 would reduce, you could reduce that. But otherwise, once you get the radical out of the denominator, we're done with that problem.